Click on the template setting menu. Select the exam name. The system will display all related exam data in the exam details section. Click on the Modify Exam button. You will be redirected to the Exam Master menu, where you can export and update exam data. After making the necessary changes, click the Back to Template Setting button to return to the template setting form. If no templates are found, click on the Create New Template button to open the Generate Template section. Enter the template name, set the crop mark X and Y positions, and define the confidence level. Next, browse and upload the OMR sheet to set up the structure of the template. Click on the Generate Template button. New template created successfully. Now, select the newly created template name. The details of the template will appear in the Template Details section. You will also see two separate grids, one displaying all the exam questions and the other showing the other details related to the template. These grids help you review and manage the question layout and additional information linked to the selected template. Click on the Modify Template button. You will now be able to update the template name and make changes to other template related details as needed. After making changes, click Update. So, template updated successfully. First, select the template. Click on the question grid option. Inside the grid, go to block 1 rows and click on the Add Bounding Box button. Draw a bounding box inside the corner of the template image. Drag and drop the bounding box to cover the question 1 to 5 area on the template image. After, click on the Edit button to adjust block 1 properly over the question 1 to 5 area. Finally, block 1 is set properly in the template image. Go to the question grid, inside block 2 rows, and click Add Bounding Box. Draw and position the box to cover the question 6 to 10 area on the template image. So, one by one, draw bounding boxes for all question blocks and drag them into the correct position on the template image. Blocks 1 to 10 are now set properly in the template image. Next, set the last block 11 manually. After that, the remaining blocks can be set using the import functionality. Click on Final Save. You will see a message saying, please set bounding box for all checked rows in Other Details. Go to the Other Details grid and draw bounding boxes for all the checked rows. Once all the bounding boxes in Other Details are set, you can save the template successfully.
Once all other details bounding boxes are set, click on Final Save again. A message will appear saying, Image and details saved successfully. To export the template data, click on the Export button. Enter the file name and click on the Save button. You will see the message, Data exported successfully. Now, open the exported file. You can make changes to all the question block settings such as set X, set Y, height, and width as needed. Finally, save the updated file and return to the OMR system. Next, click the Import button, select the updated CSV file, and click Open. A message will appear saying, Data imported successfully. Check blocks 12 to 20 bounding boxes in the template. When done, click Final Save. Click OK on the success message. Finally, this completes the overview of the template setting menu, giving you a clear understanding of how to use its features effectively.